how to download and install Geometry Dash on your PC in 2024. This is simple and straightforward process, so let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to the official STEM website. STEM is a digital distribution platform where you can buy and download games. If you don't have already STEM installed on your PC, click on the Install STEM button at the top right corner of the page. Download the installer and run it to install STEM on your computer. Next, if you don't have a STEM account, you need to create one. Open the Now once you're logged in, go to the STEM store and use the search bar to look for Geometry Dash. Click the game. On the Geometry Dash store page, click on the Add to Cart button. Proceed to checkout and complete your purchase. Remember, you need a valid payment method linked to your STEM account. After purchasing, go to your STEM library and you'll see Geometry Dash in your list of games. Click on it, then click the install button. STEM will start downloading and installing the game on your PC. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Geometry Dash from your STEM library. Just click on the game and then click play. Enjoy your game. And that's it. You now have Geometry Dash installed on your PC and you're ready to play.